And I will be your host for today. So everyone, hi! Hello! Hep hep! I like that energy. Now everyone, did you see our group of pigeons? Now, did you ask Donna what are Jumbo's favorite foods?
Variety of seeds, fruits, and vegetables.
Wow, so Jumbo's favorite foods are a variety of seeds, fruits, and also vegetables. Now, Miss Donna, what are Jumbo's known as San Africans? They are very playful, social, and have a very loud voice. They are natives in the northeastern part of South America, like Brazil and Venezuela. Sunny. So Sunny loves money, and normally in the world, they love to pick up things and also to build their nest. Now let's see what Sunny will do. So Sunny flies all the way to the circus stand and he picks the 100 peso. Good grade, Sunny. Now, Mr. James, what else they can mimic?
They can mimic the different sounds of animals, just like a rooster, a cat, and a dog. Also, mimic telephone ringing and whistle.
So, toucans are the largest and the best known toucan species around the world. It has a wide throat and block body that helps them camouflage. So, toucans, they are short flyers, meaning they can only fly from short distances, hopping from one branch to another. Now we also have here Miss Debbie with a handful of fruits, and she will go. Donna here is wearing a thick gloves to protect herself from the sharp and pointy talons of the bird. So Philippine hawk eagle is under the red list of IUCN as endangered species threatened. So brownie Maria! So white-bellied sea eagle, also known as the white-breasted sea eagle, or king of the sea. It has a white plumage with its head down. Peace, prosperity, and harmony. Thank you so much, everyone. We hope you enjoy the show and enjoy the rest of the world.